I tackled a leak code problem today with a pretty fun premise. You're given a string with letters and stars, and your job is to remove each star along with the smallest character to its left. Let's see how to get the smallest possible final string. This is day 54 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. Since there were no major project updates today, I decided to jump straight into a leak code problem to keep the momentum going. Alright, let's dive into the problem. Spoiler alert, this one is called Lexicographically minimum string after removing stars. The goal is, given a string that contains both letters and stars, we need to process it. Every time we find a star, we have to find the smallest character that has appeared to its left and remove both of them. The challenge is to do this in a way that the final resulting string is as small as possible lexicographically. My approach uses an array of lists that act like stacks, with one list for each letter of the alphabet to keep track of character positions. When a star is encountered, I find the smallest character available by checking these lists from A through Z's. I then pop the most recent index of that character and mark both it and the star for removal using a set. After one pass to identify everything to be deleted, a second pass builds the final string. This method runs in order n time, where n is the length of the string, and uses order n space. And that's a wrap for day 54. If you found this interesting or learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to follow the journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Maybe you have a different way to solve this problem. If you want to support the channel, you can do so over at buymeaboba.com. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.